As part of our Campus Close-Up series, I visited Pin Oak Middle School and quickly learned why families love this campus community. It's an application-only school with a wait list. The quality of education here is top tier, and once you're in, every student is given the tools and support to succeed. I sat down with a group of students and was surprised to find out they feel lucky to be at Pin Oak. What's something that's just like so extraordinary about your school that you're like, this is just an amazing school? Whoever wants to go. You have the mic. You want to go first?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
I'd say the language program we have is just like really, really good.
But we also have 15 high school credit classes here. And so like once you're going into high school, mostly everybody is like taking a high school credit by the time they like graduate middle school.
We're really artsy. We have a bunch of like classes that not normal schools have.
We have a bunch of new murals, and they're all like very beautiful.
So for the teachers as well, especially for the high school credit courses, like they want to prepare you for high school as much as they can, so you don't like, oh, it's just a shock wave of all the work and all like the hardships you have.
They will like split up the workload so we can do it in between 7th and 8th grade instead of doing it just one full year like you normally would in high school.
The teachers are all very nice, but they're still like really fun. Like they'll change if it's like a boring lesson, they'll like make it fun and interesting, so then you're still having fun while you're learning.
So would you all say, being at Pin Oak Middle School, you all are ready for your next step in your educational journey? Would you all agree with that statement?
Yes.
Okay, that was a resounding yes.
So I'm in like all the hard level classes, so it kind of just like eases you into it instead of like straight into hard classes.
It prepares you for all the stuff you're gonna have to learn in high school, and they give you all the credits you might need.
I would also say, like, for example of me, I'm in geometry, and most people would do it in 10th grade, but I'm already skipping up.
I would also say like time management here helps, because whenever you're like participating in sports, you have to do that, because girls, we have sports in the mornings before school, so you would like do your sports and then you would go to school and do all your classes and then you would work on your homework, and it's just like kind of like a flow of things that like really helps you.